How to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. I'm going to tell you how to get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. As of now, there's no official Roblox app available on the Nintendo Switch, so you can't install it directly like on a phone or PC. But there is a workaround that lets you access the Roblox website using the console's hidden browser. First, go to System Settings, then Internet, and open Internet Settings. Select your connected network and choose Change Settings. Set the DNS to manual, and for primary DNS, enter 045.055.142.122. Leave the secondary DNS empty or just type all zeros. After saving, reconnect to the network. A browser window should pop up automatically. This is where you can navigate to roblox.com and log in. That said, you won't be able to play games. This workaround only lets you browse the site. Roblox gameplay still isn't supported on the Switch. Until they release an official app, this is the closest you'll get.